Yes, hello guys, and welcome to another episode. We're going to dive more into our fair value gap trading strategy. So, in this video, let's see how to identify the working fair value gaps and the profitable ones that you can use at least to get something in the market. So, let's watch this video to end to see all the methods or the steps we shall take to identify the profitable fair value gaps, right? So, as we said that before identifying fair value gap, there must be three conditions that you must follow. First, you must first identify the market direction. For example, if it is bearish or bullish, and after that, you must identify the break of structure to either downside or upside, depending to where the market is trending. And also, you must look for the higher low that made today break of structure. Then you look for your fair value gap. Then boom, you go. So here we have two options: either the market to come up here or down here, this low, right? And we shall identify our market direction if the market breaks either direction, right? So let's see. So as you can see here, our market, it broke our low here, right? So that means we are bearish. Okay, so let's wait for the market at least to give us some good market structure. Let's see. Okay, so okay guys, now the market has given us some good direction, right? So here, after identifying the break of structure to the downside here, so we must identify our higher low and lower low, right? So as you can see, the market was like this. It broke this structure, then it went like this. So we must look for our fair value gaps above here, then we go down like this, right? So that means we have to come here up and we look for our various fair value gaps. And before here, you must see here there is a fair value gap here, so you must identify the unmitigated ones, right? The unmitigated fair value gaps, right? So there is that one, but seems that one is already mitigated. And also there is this fair value gap here. Okay, let me see this one. So there is this one here. Okay, so you have your various fair value gaps we have to consider here before we consider our market, before we take the trade, right? So let's see which fair value gap will be retested, right? As you can see, when the market came to our first fair value gap, of course, it gave us some bearish confirmations. It gave us a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, right? So here you try. Of course, I must enter from here, right? So I target this. I can target this recent low, sorry, and I put my stop loss right here. My stop loss can be just here. Okay, it is a 1 to 2 trade. You'll see that this one, of course, the fair value gap was retested there, but though our stop loss was we were taken out actually. That means it's better you use somehow wider stop loss. After that, you must also indicate another break of structure. For example, here, so this was the low that we had now. So also we have a break of structure downside. So after identifying that, so we now do what? We now look for our fair value gaps, right? Okay, so now we now look for our fair value gaps. We have this one. There is this fair value gap here. There is this fair value gap here. So we have several fair value gaps, unmitigated ones, right? So let's see how the market will go and retest those fair value gaps. Okay, so the market, it came to our fair value gap here. It was here. It just came here, up this, then it gave us a bearish confirmation. So here I would just enter immediately after giving me a confirmation right here. Then I would just target here my recent low, then I put my stop loss just here, right? It is almost a 1 to 3 risk to reward. Okay, then I go. Okay, as you can see, the market, my TP is already reached, right? So you also look for another break of structure, right? So this is how you trade these fair value gaps. You must first look for a break of structure, and you shouldn't trade against the trend, guys. Okay, you move to your another video here. You move to another break of structure, right? Okay, then there are several fair value gaps here. These ones are very clear. Okay, these ones are very clear, guys. Okay, so there is that one, so there is this one, unmitigated ones, right? There is that one there. So let's see which will be what's tested. Okay, you guys can see here there are several confirmations here. Okay, so I'll just enter immediately after getting my confirmation from here, right? Okay, it's right there. It's almost 1 to 1.5. Okay, so after my TP is hit, okay, the market will just turn. So that's how you can identify profitable fair value gaps easily, guys. So thank you for watching, guys.